In our funded and focused feature, when seeking funding as a one-person business, the advent of artificial technology has changed the game. Solopreneurs can use AI to create digital products such as courses, toolkits, guides, or templates that can be sold repeatedly. AI accelerates research, content creation, and design, allowing products to be built faster and updated more frequently. Platforms like Canva enable AI-assisted design for presentations, workbooks, and visual frameworks, while tools like Notion support the development of structured knowledge systems and digital resources that can evolve into paid products or subscription libraries.